Good morning, class 7th. We were reading chapter 5, different kinds of materials. In this chapter, we have seen acidic substances or acids, basic substances or bases. We have learnt about indicator, in which we have seen litmus. And now in this class, we are going to learn about turmeric. So students, open page number 60 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Now I am going to read turmeric, which is commonly called haldi, which is used in the kitchen as a food ingredient. Underline this word. Ingredient means element or component. So turmeric is a natural indicator. It is yellow in acidic and neutral medium and reddish brown in basic medium. So we have seen in this paragraph that turmeric, which is used for cooking in the kitchen, is a neutral indicator. It gives yellow color with acid and neutral substances and reddish brown color with basic substances. Recall what happens when a yellow stain of cooked vegetable on your white shirt is washed with soap. It turns reddish brown when it comes in contact with soap solution. This is because soap solution is basic in nature. You must remember that whenever your white clothes are stained with cooked vegetables, what color does the stain look like? It is yellow. But as soon as we use soap or detergent on it to clean it, the color of the stain becomes reddish brown. This is because the solution of soap or detergent is basic in nature, which after interacting with turmeric changes into a reddish brown color. Is that clear? Let us perform activity 5.2 to test the nature of substances with turmeric powder. So turn the page. Here you can see activity 5.2. So to perform this activity, we have an objective to test the nature of different substances using turmeric as an indicator. Take a tablespoon full of turmeric powder in a bowl. So first you have to take a tablespoon full of turmeric powder in a bowl. Add some water in the bowl to make a paste. So after it you have to add some water in the bowl to make a paste of turmeric powder. Take a filter paper and uniformly apply turmeric paste over it. After it you have to take a filter paper. You can take a butter paper instead of filter paper, and you have to uniformly apply turmeric paste over filter paper or butter paper. Now leave it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. After it you have to leave this paper to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Cut thin strips of yellow turmeric paper. Okay, after drying you have to cut thin strips of yellow turmeric paper. After it, collect soap solution, common salt solution, sugar solution, lemon juice, lime water, vinegar, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, soda water and shampoo solution in separate test tubes. After it you have to collect some materials which are mentioned here in a test tube. Test tube is used in laboratory to analyze compounds. If you don't have test tube, you can take any transparent glass. One by one, put a drop of each of the above solution on the thin strip of yellow turmeric paper with the help of a dropper. After it, you have to put one by one, you have to put a drop of each of the above solutions on the thin strip of yellow turmeric paper with the help of a dropper. Record your observation in table 5.4. After it, you have to record your observation in table 5.4. Here you can see table 5.4. Some solutions are given. First, soap solution turns reddish brown. Effect on yellow turmeric paper. So, when we put a drop of soap solution, it turns yellow turmeric paper into reddish brown because soap solution is basic in nature. Okay, second, common salt solution which is neutral. This is neutral solution, and because of it, yellow turmeric paper remains the same. Because we all know that turmeric paper remains same or in yellow color with acidic and neutral solutions, and with basic solution it turns reddish brown. Now the third, sugar solution. So sugar solution is also a neutral solution, so yellow turmeric paper remains the same with solution, sugar solution. Now the fourth, lemon juice is acidic in nature, so it turns yellow turmeric paper to reddish brown. Now the fifth, lime water. Lime water is basic in nature, so when lime water interacts with yellow turmeric paper, so it turns yellow turmeric paper in yellow, means no change occurs. Now the sixth, vinegar. Vinegar is acidic in nature, so after interacting, yellow turmeric paper remains the same. Now the seven, baking soda solution. Baking soda solution is basic in nature and it turns yellow turmeric paper into reddish brown. Now milk of magnesia, which is also basic in nature, and it turns yellow turmeric paper into reddish brown. Now ninth, soda water is also basic in nature and that's why it turns yellow turmeric paper into reddish brown. 10th, shampoo solution is also like detergent and soap, so it is also basic in nature, so it turns yellow turmeric paper into reddish brown. The yellow turmeric paper turns reddish brown on coming in contact with a basic substances. It remains the same on coming in contact with neutral of acidic substances. Note: wash the dropper thoroughly after every use. So, this is an important point. After taking any solution in the dropper, you have to wash the dropper with clean water to clean the dropper. By doing so, you can prevent the acidic and basic substances from mixing together, and this allows you to easily identify the color of the turmeric. So note down this point. It can be important for your next quiz. So that's all for today, students. Thank you, class.